What is the best budget microphone for your iPhone, shotgun, or lavalier? Well, let's talk about it. These are the two best shotgun and lavalier microphones for under $20 for YouTube videos. Shotgun microphone, so this is the Takstar SGC598. I'll have all the affiliated things we talked about linked in the video description. This punches way above its price class. Of course, you're going to need a TRS to TRRS adapter cable and a headphone jack to lightning cable to connect to your iPhone because no headphone jack, bum bum bum. But most smartphones don't have that anyways, so it's not a big deal. Depending on where you are, you can have either 10 dB boost or just standard gain. So if you're further away or you're talking really quiet and you want it to have a higher decibel, you can do the 10 dB boost, which is helpful. Just make sure to turn the microphone on before you press record, because if the green light's not on, the microphone's not on. And it sounds silly, but you'll forget to turn on the microphone. That's why more expensive microphones have auto on, auto off. There's a battery. It comes with a battery. It's great. $20. You're going to need a cold shoe mount because it mounts to cold shoe. So you need a camera cage or some sort of camera mount to mount your phone to it. This is the Unidigi
iPhone mount camera cage.
I'll have all the affiliate things we talked about linked in the video description. If you don't want to have to go with a shotgun microphone, and you want to go with a lavalier microphone, this is the Boya BYM lavalier microphone. It has a nice, really long cable, so you can stretch it all the way across, so you can have your camera all the way over there, or your iPhone, or your iPad. And this is super helpful because it's both TRS and TRRS. And so if you don't know what that means, basically, it means that you can connect it to your iPhone or to DSLR or mirrorless camera or audio interface, which you can also connect to your iPhone. Just one thing, you're gonna need a battery for it. You just unscrew it and there's a battery in here. It's just one of those little button cell batteries. You don't necessarily need the battery to be in here to be fully charged, depending on what setting you're on. But if you're using the smartphone setting, you might want the battery to be charged. But I've had the same battery in here for years and I haven't had an issue. But as a general rule of thumb, it's generally a good idea to switch it out every year. It's like $1. Go to the Dollar Tree or buy it on Amazon. Or it's so inexpensive that if you lose this, it's not a big deal. And then you can just clip the lavalier microphone to your shirt or just use some medical tape and tape it to underneath their shirt on both sides or up on their collar. And then you don't need the clip. They both need the lightning to headphone jack adapter. But if you're rocking an older smartphone or a phone that still has the headphone jack, which is coming more and more rare, then you can plug it right in. But if you like this, then check out my Everything Audio playlist. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe because it really does help. And click the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos like this.